Alright guys, got another dryer vent here. This dryer is turned on. It is completely hooked up well, so we should have some airflow. I don't know if you can even see, the fan is not moving at all. There's zero wind speed coming out of this dryer. I can feel a slight breeze. It's not even enough to push these fan blades, and watch this. The lightest breeze from me blowing air. But we're gonna clean it, we're gonna get the blockage out, and we'll test it again and show you.
Turn it on.
There's the first blockage. Huh?
Turn it on.
Yeah, the dryer's on. It's still not gonna blow out any air. Well, barely. You can kind of see it coming out.
Yeah, there's something coming out.
I gotta rip all this stuff off though before I put it back in.
I think this system is 2006, I think is when it was installed. When that room is added and all that.
Gotcha.
So, 18 years.
Have you ever had it cleaned before?
No.
Gotcha. Normally we say to do it once a year. Not everybody needs that, but if you don't do it every once in a while, it does get clogged. Any more sticks? Thank you. You set the whole pile right there so you can just keep recording. At the other blockage there. One of the other blockages. Oh, thank you. That's going to happen a lot.
Oh yeah.
Matter of fact, it comes and goes. It comes and goes.
I know. You know, we try to look up at the sun.
Yeah. There's a good amount in there. You can trust me when I say it's nowhere near the most I've ever seen. Of course, I'm not done yet, but there was one, it was a apartment building. They had 4 dryers in the basement, all hooked into one big tube. They hadn't cleaned it in 20 years.
Oh boy.
4 dryers from, 20 different households doing laundry for 20 years. The entire 30-foot long, 6-inch wide tube was just a tube full of lint. I had trash bags full of stuff. You're nowhere near it. Yeah. That's a good amount. Ooh, sorry. There it comes. Let me. Oh. You can hear it now.
Yeah.
We'll just give that a minute, see if anything else flies out, and then I'll send it back in. I just need to go from here to the wall though, so just one more time and I know it'll be good. Alright guys, as you can see, we're all finished. I'm gonna check the wind speed now. Of course, you can already tell it's a lot better.